So you can ask your parents. Okay, so this red beet, what is called by the name manjadi. Manjadi is a red color seed, my children. Okay, red beet seed. Okay, red beet seeds. We are searching for red beet seeds. Okay, also called manjadi. Right? In our school lives, it was one of the most attractive and a playful material, and it's an ornamental component also. Okay. So this is manjadi, and another one it's there. It is in Sinhala. They call it Olinda. Olinda is Kundri Mani. Olinda. It is called by the name Kundri Mani. In Olinda seeds, there will be two colors. There will be two colors. That means there will be a black color and a red color. It is also an attractive material, a seed. So it is attracting birds. Attracting birds, this Olinda, right? In village area, children also play with it. This is how Olinda stays on its plant. You can see the plant has exposed it. The plant has exposed the seeds. Okay, like that. Seems to be manjari. It's not Olinda. It's not Olinda. And finally, once you come to this, bitter gourd seeds are there. Bitter gourd seeds. Bitter gourd seeds also appear like small insects. Okay, bitter gourd seeds are appearing like small insects. You can see here like this. So that appearance, okay, attract birds. Mainly birds are the targets. Okay, although it is commonly pointed animals, main dispersal animals are birds and bats. Okay. So passing adaptations that favor, do a small correction. This is dispersal by animals. I have wrongly marked it as pollination by animals. It's not pollination, it is dispersal by animals. Okay, so following, we are coming to dispersal by wind. In dispersal by wind, okay, there are several adaptations there. One, it is having thread-like structures to float in the air. In it, the first example is milkweed. So once you search for milkweed seed, this is the seed, milkweed seed, right? Milkweed seed will appear like this. So you can see attached to every seed, there are fine hairs there. These hairs are helping them to float in the air. Okay, fine hairs are there. This is a milkweed seed. Similarly, you can go for cotton seeds. Okay, in cotton seeds also, you can see a fine fiber. A fine fiber can be noticed external to fine fiber. You can see here a fine fiber can be seen covering the cotton seed, right? You can see here cotton seeds. But similarly, another one is also there. They call it imbul. It's a singular word. It's very difficult to search singular words in internet. Sometimes it will support, sometimes it will not support. And further, once you come to the next one, wing-like structures are there. In wing-like structures, the plant, it is horror plant. Horror plant in English or in scientific, it is called dipterocarpus. In internet, you have to search for the word dipterocarpus. Then you will get the correct diagram, dipterocarpus. So let's go for the dipterocarpus seed. In the case of dipterocarpus seeds, diptero means two wings. D, say two, tero says wing. Dipterocarpus means two wing fruit. So we are searching for the fruit there. It's not the seed we are searching for. We are searching for the fruit there. So once you search for the fruit, you can see it is a fruit having two wings in it. These wings are helping it to float in the air. But it is a part of the fruit, not the seed. Some places fruit will be there, some places seeds will be there, right? Another example you are given here is gummalu. Another example is a singular word, gummalu. Okay. In English, gummalu is called by the name pterocarpus. Pterocarpus. P T E C A R P U S. It's not very simple. Pterocarpus means winged fruit. Dipterocarpus means two winged fruit. So pterocarpus means single wing is there. So here we are looking for now removing this di, ptero. Okay, pterocarpus. Now we are not seeing for fruit, we are seeing for seed, pterocarpus seed. Right, this is how pterocarpus seed appears. Okay, in the center part, you can see the seed. In the center part, you can see the seed, and it is externally covered by a wing, helping it to float. This is pterocarpus. Okay. Third example you have been given is the seed of drumstick. Drumstick seed. If you take drumstick seed, in that also, okay, externally, there will be a small membrane. Okay, externally, there will be a small membrane. You can see here, pictures are not so big. Okay. You can see here, surrounding the brown color seed, there is a membrane, a white color membrane. So those membranes are helping them to float. Right. Third, it is fruits and seeds born on the apex, top of the plant. Then easy to meet the wind. Easy to meet the wind. For that, there are two examples. Mahogany is one example. Horror, Dipterocarpus is another example. Seeds being very light, that is orchid seeds. So orchid seeds are not having any structure to float, but they are very, very tiny powder-like structures. See here, they are tiny powder-like structure. Can you see? You can think, you can understand how much they are tiny. There are seeds there, tiny powder-like structures. This orchid seeds, right? And that lightness is enough for the seed to float and to be moved with the wind. And last, it is production of fruits and seeds large in number. That is helping them to carried to different locations. All the locations that wind carry will not be suitable for their germination. So, produced in large in numbers, you are given the relevant example. And next it is dispersal of fruit and seed by water. In that case, there are three adaptations you have been given. One, it is having a porous or fibrous pericarp. Now, the simplest and the well-known example for pericarp, it is the pericarp of coconut. If you cut the coconut, okay, if you cut the coconut like this, you will see a fibrous layer. Okay, this fibrous layer, what we call by the name pericarp. It is our syllabus. Don't read what is in the, right? This pericarp, this fibrous layer is useful. Okay, it is helping the coconut to float in the water. Air-filled area, it is light-weighted, helping to float in the water. In this one, another example given, Ceylon almond. Okay, people call it by the name Cotumber. Okay, Ceylon almond fruit. You have to search for the fruit. Ceylon almond fruit. Here, wrong outcome has come. Mea. Very difficult to search. Sri Lankan things, no. Ceylon no puta. Very difficult. Okay, very few inputs on. This is Cotumber, Ceylon almond. And now, another example you are given, it is. Another example you are given, it is. So, my children, Ceylon almond, okay. Next, it is sea mango. You can see this product only in the sea coastal area, the sea mango fruit, the kaduru, it's like this, looking like this, okay, sea mango, okay, the appearance, Diyakaduru. Sinhala word. This one. Getting the correct picture. So you can see here, this is Diyakaduru. You can notice this Diyakaduru. Especially in the coastal region. Okay, coastal region. And followingly, you are given another one, possessing pericarp that suits for flotation, that is lotus seed. Lotus seed. And having air-filled shells that can be noticed in water lily. And last it is dispersal mechanism, is explosive mechanism. Explosive mechanism. In explosive mechanism, the fruit will blast. It will explode, blast. And that blast will throw the seeds away. The blasting material is fruit. The thrown material is seed. Touch, moisture, dry weather conditions, like different stimulus can cause the explosion. Some of them are exploding due to dryness. Some of them are exploding due to moisture. Some of them are exploding due to touch. Rubber, lady's finger, koodalu, red beet are examples for explosive mechanism. Remember, now red beet already we pointed is for the animals. Now explosive mechanism. So one plant can adapt more than one dispersal mechanism. Okay. And followingly, seed germination. After you plant a seed, okay, from that seed, a new baby plant will come out. The new baby plant coming out is called by the name seedling. Okay. For the development of the seedling, we need these conditions. Number one, we should need a viable seed, a seed that can undergo germination. Another one, suitable temperature is needed. Third one, moisture is needed and oxygen gas. Okay, oxygen gas is needed, or you can say air is needed. These are the factors essential for seed germination. Okay, after when germination is occurring, what's happening is first seed will absorb the moisture. First seed will absorb the moisture, water, and that water activates the enzymes in the cotyledons. What the enzymes do is they convert stored complex food to simple nutrients. Stored complex food is converted to simple nutrients. These nutrients are given to the embryo. In that case, embryo will first develop its root, and the young root of the embryo is called radicle. Followingly, it will develop its shoot, and that shoot is called by the name plumule. First root is called radicle, first shoot is called plumule, right? Remember, in some seeds, there will be a quality called seed dormancy. What is seed dormancy mean? The seed will not germinate, although you give all the factors needed for the germination. You can give a moisture, temperature, oxygen gas, viable seed. All the things are there, but not germinating. And that nature is called by the name seed dormancy. There can be several reasons for seed dormancy. Two reasons are mentioned to you. One reason, the embryo is not yet mature, not yet ready to germinate. Second one, seed coat is hard. Due to that one, water and oxygen could not enter inside. There are many other reasons there. Although there are many other reasons there, we don't need to go in deeper to syllabus out of it. And next it is, if you want to break the seed dormancy and make it happen earlier, what shall we do? If the embryo is not mature, nothing to do. You have to wait until the embryo becomes mature. In that case, you have to store the seeds for some time. Other things you can do, okay, burning the villi on the seed coat or testa. In the seed, there will be a mark there. That place you can give a heat, light heat. That we try in the teak seeds. Removing the seed coat. That we do in the orange seeds, keeping the seeds in the hot water. That we do in the plant called ipil, and gently cracking the seed coat. That we try in the plant nelly. All these ones we try to break the seed dormancy. And ultimately, in the seed germination, there are two types of germination. One we call hypogeal germination and other one is epigeal germination. In the hypogeal germination, okay, what's happening is after planting the seed, right? After planting the seed, the part called hypocotyle. You can see here, there's a part called hypocotyle. It is coming like a loop out here. So this is hypocotyle. Ultimately, the total plant is coming out. So here there will be hypocotyle. Okay, this is hypocotyle. Sorry, yeah, no needful details there. So one portion will be epicotyle, one portion will be hypocotyle. So point it is, if the cotyledons are coming out, I'm looking for a good picture, not clearly getting anything. If the cotyledons are coming out of the, this is the picture. So if the cotyledons are coming out of the soil, it will be hypogeal germination. Okay. This is hypocotyle. then cotyledon, then above the cotyledon epicotyle, above that one there is leaf. This you can see in the dicot plants. The previous picture I showed you, you can see the cotyledon is staying under the soil. The cotyledon is staying under the soil. If the cotyledon is staying under the soil, it is epigeal germination that you can see in the monocot plants. Okay, with this one, unit number 14, plant reproduction areas are over. I will send you a short question set. You children answer them first. Bye.